To get started with Cash App Boosts, first ensure you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device and that you have a verified account. Cash App Boosts are instant discounts that you can apply to your purchases using your Cash Card, which is the Cash App debit card. To access Boosts, open the Cash App and navigate to the Cash Card tab. Here you will see a list of available boosts, which can include discounts on purchases such as coffee, food, or gas. Browse through the list to find a boost that interests you and tap on it to activate it. Once activated, the boost will be linked to your Cash Card and will be automatically applied to your purchase when you use your card at a participating merchant. For example, if you activate a boost for 10% off at a specific coffee shop, when you use your Cash Card to buy coffee at that shop, the discount will be applied instantly. It is essential to note that boosts are limited to one use per offer, and some may have expiration dates or other restrictions. To maximize the benefits of boosts, regularly check the Cash App for new and updated offers, and consider setting up notifications to alert you when new boosts become available. By following these steps and staying informed about the available boosts, you can make the most of the Cash App Boosts program and enjoy instant discounts on your everyday purchases.